When I first started my prosthetic journey, there were definitely things I wish someone had told me. So, I'm making this video to share the questions I think are essential when choosing a prosthetist. Whether it's your first time or you're switching providers, these are must-asks. First, let's talk about your prosthetist credentials. You'll want to know, how long have they been in the field? Experience matters. What certifications do they have? Proof of expertise. Then, you need to get into the specifics of their experience with different types of prostheses. Because not all prosthetists are created equal. Ask about lower extremity, above knee, below knee, mechanical, microprocessor, ankle, foot. Can they handle them all? Upper extremity, hand, below elbow, above elbow. Do they specialize here? It's okay if they specialize, but you need to know upfront. And listen up. If you're getting a fancy microprocessor knee or something similar, don't assume your prosthetist is an expert. Always ask about their specific training on that device. Finally, let's cover the long haul, follow-up care. Because your journey doesn't end when you get the prosthesis. Key questions. How often will I need adjustments? The answer will change over time. What's the plan for repairs, replacements of worn-out parts, and future upgrades? Trust me, getting these answers will save you headaches and money down the road.